Along with the Xperia 1 Mark IV, Japan-based Sony also launched a new 4th-generation mid-range smartphone, dubbed Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV. While the appearance of the device remains the same as its predecessor, it does come with improved internals. The newly launched smartphone is being touted as the world's lightest 5G smartphone available in the market. The phone, priced at €499, will go on sale from next month in 4 color options: black, white, mint, and lavender. The Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV features a 6-inch OLED display with a Full HD Plus screen resolution and a 21:9 aspect ratio. It offers a brighter luminous panel. It also has Gorilla Glass Victus for protection. Sony says the screen is 15% brighter than the 10 Mark III. At this price though, it's a shame Sony is sticking to 60Hz refresh rate, where many rival mid-ranges have 90Hz, or even 120Hz. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, an upgrade compared to the Snapdragon 690 found in its predecessor. This new processor is manufactured using a 6nm process. It packs 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. It is also worth noting that the phone also received an additional slot for a microSD memory card. In the camera department, the smartphone features a 12-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel 2x telephoto lens. It comes with features like tweak superior auto mode, auto HDR, a dedicated night mode, and more. On the front side, there's an 8-megapixel snapper for taking selfies and video calling. The phone has triple cameras, with 16, 27, and 54mm lenses, though Sony has not confirmed the megapixel count at this stage. The cameras can handle auto HDR and Sony says there is an improved night mode. Other features on the device include a 3.5mm headphone jack, LDAC support, 360 audio, and a 360 reality audio upmix to transform stereo into surround sound. The phone is also IP68 rated to make it water and dust resistant. It runs the latest Android 12 operating system out of the box with the company's own custom user interface on top. The phone is powered by a 5000 mAh battery and comes with 30-watt fast charging. Similar to several devices launched recently, this one too doesn't come with a charger in the box. Sony confirmed on 11 May that the Xperia 10 Mark IV will go on sale in mid-June, with no specific date announced. It's nice to see Sony announcing a phone and then launching it. It often takes months for handsets to actually go on sale after the launch events. Maybe the company has finally listened to its critics on this odd strategy. Sony has said the Xperia 10 Mark IV will cost approximately €499 in Europe, so that price is likely, but for some reason not yet confirmed. Despite this, the Sony UK site is listing it at £429, and it will be ready to pre-order soon. I also want to remind you about the cost of the range of smartphones' previous Xperia 10 models. Sony Xperia 10 Mark III for €459, Sony Xperia 10 II for €379, and Sony Xperia 10 for €349. Inflation is clearly a play here, even if the tech is getting incrementally better with each launch. Our current favorite mid-range phone is the €419 OnePlus Nord 2, so the Xperia 10 Mark IV is up against some stiff competition, and likely launching at a higher asking price. We will have a review of the Xperia 10 Mark IV in the coming weeks, so check back to our channel to see if Sony's latest mid-range could be your next phone. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and see you soon.